Hello and welcome to this week's social show. It's all very exciting, but what isn't exciting is that I have this one next to me this week, unfortunately.
What do you mean this one? First of all, we need to say a big thank you because we're not filming it in the studio. Southern Manufacturing 2020. We're on the stand of GW Martin. The guys have been very kind to let us nick their stand while we do the show. But despite your rudeness, Gina, I've got a little present. So give me the microphone. Hand out. There you go.
What could this be? Oh, what? No way. No way is it a sterling silver necklace made on a wire EDM machine by EDM Zone. I said that completely wrong. Let me do that one again. Oh my God, Colin, what's this about? I know
Something I need to tell you.
What?
Shut up.
I know it's Valentine's Day, but I did not expect a sterling silver, beautiful, stunning necklace made on a wire EDM machine by EDM Zone, by their apprentices actually.
Okay. And what are their names?
I'm going to say Joseph and Richard.
Now, you seem surprised at this present, but you seem to know all about it.
Oh, well, that's because I'm really good at machining, Colin, and I know when I see a good piece on a wire EDM.
You say wire EDM. How many types of EDM are there?
3.
What types?
Wire. The stamping.
No, we'll call it sync.
The,
I'll give you a clue.
go on.
What is this week's educational video? Lucky someone did some preparation. It is about EDM fast hole drilling.
Job, please play that thingy.
EDM. Electrical discharge machining, otherwise known as spark erosion or sparking. What is it? Obviously, I have the machine here. You'll make a piece of tooling, generally bespoke. That will sit here. You have your component. This has already been manufactured, which will sit underneath it. A current will run through the tooling. It will then hit the component, spark, and erode that material. But why would you use it? There are a number of reasons. First, it works on very, very hard materials. Second, if you have sharp edges, this works really, really well. And third, but not least, difficult components. Sometimes you can't mill certain components. You might need an undercut, for example. You'll build a bespoke piece of tooling, and that will enable you to get into that piece of componentry. So there you are, EDM, sparking, spark erosion. Wow.
Incredible. I feel like I've learned so much. Thank you, Colin.
Gina, always a pleasure.
I don't say thanks very often, but that was actually very educational.
Absolute pleasure. And look, just have a look at that. I'm going to keep that for my girlfriend. Burn. Right, next.
What the hell? Oh my God. Right, so I think we should go to a bit of a blast from the past. So Colin, what have we got up this week?
We have, well, blast from the past. Engineers love their old stuff. This week it is a Myfore 7. Have a look. Joff, roll Myfore 7. Look at this, another blast from the past. I found this tucked away in the back of the machine shop, a Myfore Super7. Now, Chris is going to have to keep up with me because we're going to be zooming in and out and panning everywhere. So first of all, you've got your X-axis there, full 2-axis machine, your Z-axis there. Now, it's not going to move. Oh, it is moving a little bit, but we've locked it in. I'll cover that in a minute. So, tool post there, indexing that around. It's not full 5-axis simultaneous clearly. Then here, you've got the drill. Now, one of the reasons I'm going to mention that is you've got a huge bed here, really, compared to the size of the machine. I'm reliably informed gunsmiths used to love this machine because of that bed. Now, next, look at this. Belt driven, let's not break it. Come on, Chris, keep up. My cameraman, we're working him hard today. And then a bit more belt drives down the back there. So some oldies but a goldie there. And then here, come on, Chris, don't leave me. There you go, look at that. Now that is a system for, hold on. Screw cutting. So what you do, you lock your scroll in here and that'll travel along there, screw cutting. So that, blast from the past, Myfore Super7, reliably informed from the 50s.
Brilliant. I mean, I feel like there's a bit too much Colin going on in these clips at the moment.
What can I say? You could never have too much Colin. Anyway, oh, how's that for time? We could keep going because we are professional.
Stop that bit. I think we've had way too much Colin recently and I'm a bit fed up with it, to be honest. I feel like everybody loves me a little bit more, and considering it's Valentine's Day, I feel like we should put this to the test.
Winner chicken dinner here.
Yeah, all right, okay. Well, what we'll do then is we'll go around and we'll ask who their favourite presenter is.
Colin 1, Gina 0.
I don't think so.
Over to our fantastic editor.
Do you know who MTD is?
Yes.
Who are they?
A global manufacturing channel on YouTube.
Fantastic. Favourite presenter?
To be confirmed. Probably you now.
Woo! Me! I won! One. Actually, this is 2 at the moment. Gina 2, Colin 0.
I wasn't supposed to be in this video, but I just heard that. Sam, you wanted another video. It's not going to happen now. I'm not happy.
Oh dear. Uh-oh.
Just found Danny. Danny, MTD. Do you like it?
Oh, I love it, yeah. You know, I've been watching it for a very long time.
And favourite presenter?
I think it's going to have to be Joe, actually, to be honest with you.
Right, I'm done.
Excuse me, do you know MTD?
Yeah, I've heard of MTD.
Favourite presenter?
Yourself?
Oh, that's I think 2-1 to Colin now. What do you think of Colin?
Colin's alright, yeah, he's a good guy, but yeah, obviously you're better.
Oh, that is so nice. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm Nathaniel.
Brilliant. What are you doing? Eyeing up that wine?
Yeah, I mean, so I just was walking past and it's a pretty impressive piece, isn't it? Just, yeah, pretty eye-catching.
Well, there you go. We know that you watch MTD and Network.
This gentleman seems like a willing candidate. MTD, do you like us?
Love you. Been watching you since the day you started.
Fantastic. Now, I need to ask, this is a rhetorical question, of course. Favourite presenter?
Favourite presenter, difficult to choose. Gotta love you all.
Yeah, I don't want to put you, I'm going to put you on the spot. Who? The best?
It's got to be a politician's answer, hasn't it? The best? The original? Go on then, Colin. I'll go for you, sir.
Bingo. Colin 1, Gina 0 again.
Excuse me, do you know MTD?
Oh yeah, I do know MTD, yeah.
Do you like MTD?
I do, yeah, no, very good. Yeah, we spend a lot of money with MTD, but it's really good value. Value for money. Top dollar.
Brilliant. And who's your favourite presenter?
Oh, I'm talking to her now.
Oh my God! Yes, I've won. I'm winning. Yes, it's amazing. No, not him.
choice.
Brilliant.
Multiple choice,
Thank
yeah.
you so much, Steve. There you go. Gina, I think Gina 4 now. Colin 0. I think so. Yeah. Oh my God, that is amazing. I can't believe. How many was it? 3, 4? How many people love me out there? That's amazing. I feel so loved. Where's that necklace? I need it back.
It's gone. I do apologise.
Did you just say you sold it?
Sold it. Well, I had to hand out bribes because I needed a vote.
What the heck? I can't believe that. Thank you so much for obviously putting in all of your votes and, you know, us asking you guys who you love the most. I'm just made up right now. I'm made up.
Made up. I wish you shut up. Anyway, is that the end of the show?
Let's call it the end of the show. Okay.
Joff, you're getting all this. This is absolute genius.
Also, Joff, if you're not very happy with the way that was celebrated, because I feel like we can make a big deal out of that. I mean, it's an I Love Gina thing. Then let me know if you've got any ideas.